It's a certified 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. It's fun to drive with plenty of room, plenty of style, and plenty of features designed to make your life easier, all wrapped in a stylish package. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth streaming audio, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, active noise cancellation, keyless go, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, rear cross path detection, and V6 engine. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Chrysler, where top flight engineering meets affordable luxury. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.